Welcome back, guys. Unbox United back here again with a quick unboxing. So we're gonna switch to gadgets. So guys, it's not only shoes I do vlogs. So it can be soccer cars, sports cars, or anything cool, like knives or gadgets, bags. So I think when you age or when you go mature or older, I think things changes, your likes um, improves, or you value different things. So I'm switching to a gentleman's gadget. So don't judge me, guys. Let's open this box. Let's check it out. So you can comment if I overspend or it's too much, but I just wanted to share. I think when you reach my age, I don't want to say my age, but I'm more matured, I think. um, your interest changes. So let's destroy this box and let's check out what's inside. They really gave me a big box, but this is a small item. So let's see. So oh, it's not really a box, but I think it's a paper bag and a lot of bubble wrap. So any wild guess? So I got a card from them, so I'm not being sponsored. So this came from, if you can see now, so they sent me a card. So how do you pronounce this, guys? It's from Mont Blanc, so a French company. You probably know them for making pens. Oh, it's not a card, they didn't write anything, but it's like a, I don't know, promo card. They probably know I like cards, so we're gonna frame that. And then, oh, they gave me a letter. So that's the Mont Blanc logo. Let's see what's inside. I hope it's not the receipt because you might faint if oh no, it's just an empty card. Okay, they gave me a card with no letter. It's probably just a sample. Okay, what does it say? So if you purchase, they're gonna send you cards writing nothing. Oh, they just saying thank you for purchasing. So with this, guys, I requested to put my name on the pen. So let's see if they did a nice job. So sorry, my camera moved. So thank God they put it in a proper box, and so it will look like this. So nice. The paper bag got a Mont Blanc logo. So remember this, guys, that's the Mont Blanc logo. Now it's sticking now. So let's open it. So it's just a pen, guys, but it's a gentleman's gadget. So when you're older, you know, you like, you know, different things. So I bought a spare ink for the pen. So this is what it looks like. So guys, just check out the price at their website. I don't want to say the actual price. You might faint if you see the price tag on this pen. So I don't want to show it. So you can pick a pen of your liking. There are different types of pen, but this is just a ballpoint, and it will, oops, So beware guys, buy on the actual website because there are a lot of fake of this as well. So this came from the actual Mont Blanc um, website, the official. So that's the actual logo. Nice leather, it's like the pen case. um, so they give you a warranty as well. It's like a watch, so it's nice. Yeah, it has a serial number too, so it's like this is the Rolex of pens. So you see that, authorized retailer. They even put the date of the purchase. And yeah, so each pen will be individually numbered, and that's the item number, which is SICK. And then this is the service guide. You should have this when you purchase one. So let's open it. I went for the simple black color of the pen. So you'll see the name Mont Blanc. And then I bought at first I bought a perfume, and then I forgot they were originally making pens. The perfume is nice as well. That's what I use at the moment now. So if you see that, they engraved my initials and my last name on the pen. So that's free when you buy this pen. So so this is just a simple ballpoint pen. You can pick or choose what type of pen. They got different types of pen, and the price goes up as well. This is the lowest price tag pen that is available, but I'm liking it because there's free engraving, so you can put whatever you want. I was thinking of putting Unbox United, but I went for my name. So if it get lost, hopefully somebody will return it and not bring it to a pawn shop. LOL. So guys, this is pricey because the part of the silver there is platinum. I think the silver is platinum, made of platinum. Don't quote me on that. I'm not really I'm not sure if it's gonna focus. There you go. So it will say the name on that silver platinum there, Mont Blanc. And then yeah, it's beautiful guys. So you just need to be careful with this, because if you lose this, you're gonna feel sick. LOL, because of the price tag. And let's see how this comes out. So this is just a simple does it focus well? There you go, ballpoint. So that's it guys. I just wanted to share guys. So if you're rocking this, so you will see the logo there as well. Will it focus? Let's see, let's wait. Let's go camera. It doesn't want to focus. There you go. So that's the official logo of Mont Blanc. So nice and simple. So I'm not a doctor, it's just MD for Michael Don Gajon. So guys, when you reach a certain age, you will find or like a pen like this. So better up cop now before while the price is still affordable. But no, guys, the price is crazy. So I let you check out the price. Go on the website. But yeah, just sharing with you guys what I found is cool. to have when you reach this age. When you're more matured, you're gonna like certain things, and this is what I like at the moment. And so guys, check them out. It comes in different colors too. There's orange, I think there is white as well, but yeah, there's different colors. You just decide. I went for the simple, usual, common black colorway of the Mont Blanc. So beautiful. So Mont Blanc, if you're seeing this video, I'm liking the other pens too, so I'm just here. LOL. But yeah guys, so check them out. Mont Blanc, nice packaging. I think it's worth it for the price of it. I'm liking this case, special case. Feels like it's leather. At least they gave us a nice solid, but it's also made in China. It can't be made in France. The price is gonna be probably more if this is all made from France. But yeah, Mont Blanc, so you got to have the serial number to be legit, because there are a lot of fake Mont Blancs as well, so be careful guys. Try to buy it on the official Mont Blanc website. So that's just my Unbox United's advice, so you avoid buying fake. So check them out guys. Hope this sharing would help you guys in the future in copying this beautiful gadget for the gentleman, or if you're wanting to give this to your loved ones, this will be a great gift for Christmas. So check them out guys. Mont Blanc, the Mercedes-Benz of pens, or the Rolex of pens. Okay. Okay, till next time guys, please like, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace. Thumbs up.